guys, welcome back to this little space. Today we are making a crochet laptop sleeve out of chunky yarn. This is what the finished piece will look like. The original tutorial that I followed is this one. I will link it in the description box below. I followed this tutorial when making this, but I made a few tweaks along the way so that I would get this version instead. If you want to make one out of t-shirt yarn instead, I would definitely recommend following that tutorial. So yeah, let's get started. In terms of the equipment, I'll be using this crochet hook. It is a pony 12mm hook. For the yarn, I'll be using this James and Brett Rustic Mega Chunky, and I'll be using 200 grams of it for one laptop sleeve. So yeah, let's get started. We will start by making a slip knot. So hold on to this and tie a knot around your finger. Once you have the slip knot, we will put our crochet hook through it. So it's like this. So how you chain is, it's yarn over and pull through, and that's one chain. And we just repeat this until we have a chain of 18. I have chained around 18, and you can just adjust this to the width of your own laptop. This is a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and don't forget that this kind of yarn can be stretchy as well. Now we are single crocheting down the chain, so skip the very first chain and start from the second chain. And here we have our first single crochet. Now we will just repeat this down the chain until we reach the second last one. Now that we've reached the last chain, we will single crochet 3 times in that last chain, like this. Now flip your work over and single crochet down the chain again until you reach the second last chain. Once you have reached the last chain, similar to the previous time, let's single crochet 3 times in that last chain. So let's repeat that. Turn our piece around and single crochet along the chain again, except this time we don't have to stop before the last chain. Now that we have reached the other side, we have completed the base of our laptop sleeve. We will continue by doing single crochets along the edge of our piece again and again, and this will build up the height of our laptop case. And with the loose piece of string we have here from the beginning of our project, you can just weave this into the chain manually and that will hide it. So push it in and out. And now we will start crocheting single chains around and around and around. We will start reducing, which is making the case tighter at the top. To reduce, we simply bring our yarn over once, then bring our yarn over again in the hoop beside, and then lastly yarn over and pull it through the 3 hoops. And now we have reduced, which means that 3 chains have become 2 and the laptop will be tighter at the top. To finish off, we do a slip stitch and chain once. So that is our laptop case complete. You can also choose to add a label here by sewing it on if you wish, like this one, or you can just keep it plain like this. So yeah, that is all for today. Let me know in the comments how you get on, and I'll see you in the next one.